Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Better than me, I hope. I was gonna do this at the park today, trying to get comfortable. I was gonna do this at the park today. I just was feeling like I'm running on an empty tank today, I don't know why. So, hopefully next week, I can get back into it. But I had been commenting on I commented on during my couscous video, my canteen cup cooking, that I should have brought some spices out with me. So I kind of put together a little spice kit, and I thought I would go over it and show you what I did and explain. Well, so I actually have two. I have this one as well, which I did a video on, and I'll turn the camera down and give you a better look at it. So here's the first spice kit, and these are just little bottles, and they contain different things. They have salt. Some of these are pepper. I think one of these is empty, paprika. And what I need to do is I need to go, this one's Mrs. Dash. What I need to do is I need to, I don't know if the camera will show, but I need to replace all these, because first of all, these corks are kind of hard to get out. And what I do is I end up using my fingernails and prying the cork out. But as I do, every time I do that, the cork keeps getting, I don't know if that's zooming in, but as I pick at the cork, some of the cork has busted off in some places, like this one here. And so I just need to replace all the corks. And then I saw a hack that Mark Young did, where he just took a little thread and he ran it through, which I'll do that when I get I gotta get some replacement corks. But as soon as I do that, I'll probably have get that going. And then I'll just redo this, and then I can switch it out with the other. Okay, so I had to put everything away. So what I end up doing is now the first thing is I didn't have to go out and buy anything. I already had basically everything that I'm going to show you already in the house, which is nice because it didn't cost me any extra money. This is just a container, just a snap container. It's like an Altoids tin, but a little bit bigger. And it perfectly holds these metal little tins here, which these are just like 1 ounce screw top tins. And I actually had them in a pill bottle because they fit perfectly. You can just drop them all down inside, keep the lid on. And I thought, well, I don't know about the container. So, but I was looking through something and I found this, so I switched it up. So, this one here is Slapio Mama, and these are just, like I said, these are just screw tops. You just unscrew it, and then you have your seasoning inside. Probably a little bit too much, but you know, ideally you don't want to put too much in, so you have just enough for you know, a few days. This one I just filled up because I just finally got more. This is garlic powder. This is MSG, the king of flavor, because I had some left over. And then this one is black pepper. I have a pepper grinder, so I just ground some up. And I've got like a little funnel, which I just spilled. Which I realize I don't have the funnel, but I'll go get them real quick and I'll show you. Okay, so I got this little metal one here. I believe this is for alcohol. You can use it to, you know, for alcohol, for making drinks and stuff. And this is a plastic funnel. I don't even remember where I got it, but I use these to fill my containers. So. And you know, they're helpful around the house. And I've still got my dollar store container of salt here. I mean, you don't need too much salt, but I can use salt for a few things. You know, your water boils faster when you use salt. So, and this is just Parmesan cheese. So. Then we got a little bottle here. Yes, it's glass, but you know, I don't mind. And this is just a little Texas Pete, the hotter sauce. Yeah, I can share the bottle. Keep having to go get everything today. So Texas Pete, the hotter sauce. I felt like I had a little bit more kick than just a regular Texas Pete. So that's my go-to sauce for right now. And I've shown this plenty of times, but this is my olive oil. I just keep it in a zip top bag just in case it leaks. It's a metal bottle, and what it was, I went to a store in the mall called the Container Store, and I bought another plastic container for the lid, and then I bought this because it actually had a spray bottle attachment. So I just threw the bottle away because I didn't like it anyway, and then I threw away the spray. I either threw it away or I just put it somewhere. But I've been carrying my olive oil on this, so just gives me just a small amount I can bring out in the woods. I don't have to worry about it breaking. I'm not really that worried about these little Texas Pete bottle. I mean, yes, it's glass, but I've actually got something on the way. So I actually ordered something on Amazon yesterday, which I'm gonna be using to put all this together. So, which is why I made that post, that community post about, man, I'm buying too much stuff on Amazon. You know, tongue-in-cheek comment. I actually bought 2 things on Amazon, 2 different orders on Amazon. So those are all on the way. So when I get those, I'll definitely show you what I got to go with this. And yeah, so see, now I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, I was gonna say that's my spice kit. It was something that Ray Mears had said during his Canadian canoe journey. The very same video that he made, that I learned how to make bannock, is from his video, because he was talking about how, you know, when you're out in the woods and you're out on a trail, or you stop for the day and you're making a brew, you know, flavors become important to you. So you know, a big inspiration from Ray Mears. In fact, I made bannock a video because of Ray Mears. You know, it's like, you know, I drew inspiration from his videos to do some of my videos. So yeah, so that's my spice kit. It's a work in progress. Like I said, I have something on the way that I'm gonna be putting with this, so I'll show you that when I get it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Am I missing something? Should I add something? You know, I've actually had, you know, I don't use a ton of salt in my meals. I mean, I use a little bit. You know, this will last me a good while. I wish I could find more of these containers because they're actually a great size. It's just that the dollar store is very inconsistent with some of the things that they get. So sometimes they'll have it and it'll just sell out and they'll never get it back, which is unfortunate, because found that in the travel, so they had like a little travel section, and they were just hanging there on the shelf, and I just grabbed them. Wish I had grabbed more, but who knew they weren't going to have them anymore. So anyway, let me know what you think again, and I thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.